Hey coffee lovers, welcome back to the channel. Seph, and today we're making a cozy style drink that feels like sunshine in a mug, spiced orange mocha. This rich chocolate coffee is infused with bright citrus and warm spices for a bold, comforting flavor combination. If you love mocha but want something unique and aromatic, this recipe is going to be your new favorite. Let's brew. Ingredients: 1-2 shots espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, 3/4 cup milk, whole oat, almond, or your favorite 1 tablespoon unsweetened cocoa powder, 1-2 tablespoons sugar or maple syrup, to taste 1/2 teaspoon orange zest, freshly grated 1 tablespoon fresh orange juice, 1/8 teaspoon ground cinnamon, pinch of nutmeg, optional topping, whipped cream, extra orange zest, chocolate shavings. Directions: start by brewing your espresso or strong coffee and set it aside. In a small saucepan over low heat, combine the milk, cocoa powder, sweetener, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Whisk continuously until smooth and steaming, but do not let it boil. Stir in the fresh orange juice and orange zest. The zest adds bright citrus aroma while the juice gives subtle sweetness and tang. Pour your espresso into a mug, then slowly add the spiced orange chocolate milk mixture. Stir gently to combine all the flavors. Top with whipped cream, a sprinkle of orange zest or chocolate shavings for an elegant finish. Sip and enjoy this rich citrus-kissed mocha that feels both festive and indulgent. And there you have it. Your homemade spiced orange mocha, rich, zesty, and perfectly cozy. 4D, if you loved this unique twist on classic mocha, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more creative coffee recipes. Let me know in the comments if you prefer your mocha classic or flavored. Until next time, stay warm and keep brewing. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description: https://tinural.com/3coffeelover.